Dear hashed followers, today's topic is how you can change a style in runtime dynamically. Since V17 there is a new style with two color schemes for dark and bright. So you see in runtime now I'm switching to the dark style. You see the IO field has no corners. The switch looks like more like a switch I know from my iPhone. And this is the dark mode. So you have the possibility for switch to the bright style. So this is a really nice feature for day and night shift. Let us take a look to TR Portal. How does it work? At the moment, it's only possible to have the predefined styles. It's not possible to add your own style. So if we go to the screen from the runtime, you see if I switch the style in TR Portal, it looks like the same. Okay, that's fine. If I switch to BrightStyle, you see, okay, it looks like the same as in the runtime. That the IO field has no corners or the buttons, like the same for the dark style. But we don't want a fixed style, we want to switch it in runtime, and this is possible with a short JavaScript line of code. You see HMIRuntime.UI.Style. You can select the extended style for the default style, and for the dark style it's flat style underscore dark, and bright style is flat style underscore bright. And I have linked this JavaScript to the video description. But what happened if you add your own colors? So you have seen the shifting between dark and bright works really nice. But if you add your own colors, for example, we select this nice green, you see, okay, the button is now green. And if we switch from the dark to the bright style, what happened? It looks the same. So if you add your own color, it's not possible to have this change anymore. And it is the same in the runtime. For example, if we now switch to the dark style, you see the green is fixed, the same for the extended style. So if you want to add your own colors, keep in mind that the style change does not affect your selected colors. I hope you know now what is possible with styling and how it is possible to change it in runtime. See you.